Hello, my name is Alexandria Benson. This is my Bridging the Gap presentation for Benson School District. The purpose of this presentation is to inform you about the different types of technology adopters, which includes innovators, early adopters, early majority, late majority, and laggards. Essentially, this presentation explains how to lead a system of different types of technology adapters in a Christ-centered way. The 5 different major types of adopters are innovators, early adopters, early majority, late majority, and laggards. The first major type of adopters are innovators. Innovators are open to new ideas. Therefore, they must be able to endure challenges such as failure, unprofitability, and may experience doubt about their innovations. They provide external ideas and information and may be looked down upon by others within their system because they are willing to take risks. Innovators do, however, according to Saheen 2006, keep the continuous flow of new ideas within their system. The second major type of adopters are early adopters. It is probable for early adopters to be classified as leaders within their social system. Early adopters are often approached by other members for guidance and knowledge in regards to ideas within innovation. Early adopters are viewed as role models. Saheen 2006 highlights that their subjective evaluations about the innovation reach other members of the social system through interpersonal networks, page 19. When early adopters serve as leaders in the adoption process of the innovation, it diminishes the confusion and uneasiness which may occur during the diffusion system. Early adopters demonstrate their confirmation of an idea by supporting and embracing it, Saheen 2006. The third type of adopter, the early majority, typically adopt in the middle, as they are not the first or last to adopt the innovation. The early majority group do not have leadership roles like the early adopters, but they have strong relationships within their social system, Saheen 2006. The fourth type of adopters are the late majority. This group contains 1/3 of the social system members and typically adopt the innovation after their peers have adopted it. Essentially, the late majority members are typically skeptical of innovation and its outcomes and economic necessity. Peer pressure may lead them to adoption of the innovation, Saheen 2006. This doubt can be eliminated with the assistance of peers who will help them feel safe and confident in accepting the innovation, Saheen 2006. The fifth group of adopters are the laggards, who are often known to hold a more conventional stance. This group tends to be more doubtful than the late majority about innovations and advancements. They typically interact with other individuals in their social systems who hold similar beliefs about innovation and are not considered leaders. Laggards do not always understand the innovations and want to know if it is successful prior to adopting the innovation, Saheen 2006. The innovators, early adopters, and early majority could definitely be utilized when leading my organization, Benson School District. The innovators are always first to adopt. Deering and Cox 2018 highlight that innovators are often the first to adopt because of excitement over novelty and the opportunity to not feel constrained by the social norms, page 185. Due to this finding, the innovators would be utilized to experience new ideas that other individuals may not be open to. The innovators would also bring in new ideas outside of the school district because of their fearlessness to try new things. Deering and Cox 2018 share that early adopters adopt because of the measured appraisal of the advantages which come from an innovation. The early adopters typically have leadership roles, and if made aware of the advantages of the technology changes, then they would be able to influence and lead other faculty within the district towards the technology change. The early majority tends to have important interpersonal networks in the innovation diffusion process, Saheen 2006. They also take time to think through an idea before adopting it. By having strong relationships with others in the school district, they could motivate other district members and show them the importance of technology changes after they have put much thought and deliberation into them. The Bible states, "And he appointed 12, whom he also named apostles, so that they might be with him, and he might send them out to preach." English Standard Version, 2001, Mark 3:14. Similar to the way that Christ used his disciples to teach his word, the innovators, early adopters, and early majority can be used to teach faculty in Benson School District. Working with the late majority and laggards. In order to lead Benson School District with the various technology changes, I would have special meetings set aside for individuals classified as late majorities or laggards. These meetings would consist of showing these groups of people the benefits of the new innovations and the power they have to transform their classrooms and instruction. The late majority is unsure and skeptical and often desire to adopt the given innovations after they have viewed the innovation in practice. In order for this group to be accepting of the innovations, they must be given opportunities to observe the advantages and listen to the perspective of their peers. According to Ackman and Koglu, 2016, the laggards tend to be typically focused on tradition with a strong aversion to change. In order to successfully work with the laggards, they must be shown how technology can still hold traditional values and teach the same educational concepts, but in a new and innovative way. The Bible highlights, "Let every person be subject to the governing authorities. For there is no authority except from God, and those that exist have been instituted by God." English Standard Version, 2001, Romans 13:1. My thoughts drift back to how the Pharisees went against Jesus. Jesus did not give up on them. Similarly, we should work with the late majority and laggards to see the benefits of technology. Jesus showed them love and patience, even when they were unkind and rejected him. We will work with these two groups to show them the benefits of technology. We will remain patient and show kindness. Core values and principles are based on the words of Jesus Christ. We will lead the Benson School District through Christ. Regardless of another faculty member's opinion, their beliefs and ideas must be valued. Although there are different types of adopters who view adopting technology and innovative ideas in different ways, they should be led in a way which points all glory to Christ. In the Benson School District, the core values are based on the words of Jesus Christ. Regardless of another faculty member's opinion, their beliefs and ideas must be valued. Implementing new technology changes in the district are extremely important for transforming instruction. However, all employees' views must be valued as we are all part of one team. We must work together to provide our students with an optimal learning experience. The Bible states, "Live in harmony with one another. Do not be haughty, but associate with the lowly. Never be wise in your own sight." English Standard Version, 2001, Romans 12:16. Let us strive to work with all people. These are the references included throughout the presentation. Thank you.